Okay, grade 6. Now, this is the second part of our lecture. Now, we are starting the level 3. What is the level 3? The following connector provide a cue or signpost for the supporting evidence in mirror work. Locate the connector and the supporting evidence they introduce in the paragraph and complete a table like the one below. So what you have to do, you have to read the whole chapter carefully and you have to look for these connectors where these connectors are used and now how it is used with the sentence, and you have to write the sentence in the column supporting evidence. For example, the first connector is because, and you will find because in the first paragraph, second last line, which says because it shows an awareness of itself, something that human have. Okay, this line, because it's a connector and it shows an awareness of itself, something that humans have. You have to write it in the supporting evidence. The second one is so, and you will find the word in second paragraph, fourth line. So the test is carried out many times. So the test is carried out many times. The third connector is consequently, and the consequently you will find third paragraph, second last line, which says consequently researchers carrying out the test also apply invisible marks and observe the animal behavior. The fourth one is in particular, and you will find this connector in last paragraph, fourth line, in the beginning of fourth line, which says, in particular, it was found that some dolphins use the mirror and other reflective surfaces to study their marks more often than when they had no marks. So there is the paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the connectors and these are the supporting evidence. Moving on from there, that is page number 146, vocabulary section, which says that look at Unit 8 once more and review the concept of connectors of cause and effect. Note that they link ideas together and help to make what you read and write coherent. Below are some other types of connectors that are meant to support evidence. Connector that illustrate as shown by, as revealed by in the case of, such as, for instance, for example, and connector that emphasize, that is, above all else, especially, particularly, significantly. So in section A, we have to underline the connectors and jot down their types. The first one is sense, and the type is cause and effect. For instance, the second one, which is the type of which is illustrate. The third one is significantly, which is emphasis. As a result, it is showing cause and effect. Consequently, it's also showing cause and effect. So now you have to make some sentences in section B. It is your homework. Moreover, noticeably, for instance, as can be seen or witnessed, and you have to use these sentences in your, these words, these connector in your sentences. Quickly write down in the box 3 connectors that illustrate and such as, for instance, for example. Okay. Now what you have to do in section D, rewrite these sentences by adding connectors that illustrate. Use a different connector for each sentence. The first one is, some rhinos, such as the black rhinos, are endangered species. The second one, all his books do well, and his second book, for instance, which came out last year, was a bestseller. Discover treasure in often worthwhile, but the the Bactrian treasure hoard in Afghanistan is invaluable. Okay. For example, is invaluable. Discovered treasure is often worth little, but the bacterian treasure hoard in Afghanistan, for example, is invaluable. Now you have to quickly write down the three connectors that emphasize in which one is indeed, above all, and significantly is also one of the connector that emphasize. Now we write these sentences by adding connectors that emphasize. Use a different connector for each sentence. The scarves produced by weavers had indeed brilliant pattern and colors. She is accomplished at playing the guitar, the harp and the violin. Above all, but above all, it is the sitar that is her real forte. I love curries of all kinds, but particularly vegetable vindaloo is my favorite curry. Okay, dear student, this is all for today. Inshallah, we will continue this chapter in our next class. Thank you.